Just wanted to let everybody know we have a professional photographer on site today, Mr. Terry Baker. If you see him out in the crowd with that big lens on his camera, make sure to smile for him. He's right down there on the dock. Mr. Terry Baker. And we have a start to race number 38 in lane 2, AT&T U-Burst. Lane 4, Hisense USA number 1. Lane 6, Dual Rubbermaid Profession. And lane 8, PepsiCo Purpose. Wow, these are some fast teams. It looks like PepsiCo is out to a lead. I don't know though, it could be Dual Rubbermaid. These boats could literally pull a small water skier behind them. Looks like Dual Rubbermaid is going to come across the 100-meter mark in first place. The race isn't over yet, though. Hisense USA is right behind them. Who's going to take it in the last 80 meters here? Oh, it might be Hisense USA is coming on strong in lane 4. Dual Rubbermaid is right there, but I think Hisense might get it. A few more strokes. It's going to be lane 4. Take it just by a nose, and then followed by lane 6, Dual Rubbermaid. And then lane 2, AT&T U-Burst. And then here's lane 8, PepsiCo.